na na na. Oh na na na. Wake up, wipe the sleep from your eyes. Feel the sun rays flying through the window and warm you up for this ride. Hey maybe, maybe it's the best day of your life. Blow off your sting, no need to be feeling low. How sweet it is to be alive. Let it go, let it go, let it go. What you don't need, don't take it with you today. No, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river you can live your life in free flow. Yeah, you can fly with the stars. Did you forget you're a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now.
Eh, din ako.
It's a brand new day. Yeah, it's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. It's a new day. It's a brand new day. Whoa.
Oops, kala mo, yun lang. Siyempre, hindi pa rin ako papayag na walang galing sa akin. Buti na lang madami kang nasa cart. Sasabayan ko ang mga hilig mo. Sana magustuhan mo. See you later, Kizzy.
To future Mrs. Acapulco. Hope you like this simple gift of mine. I love you so much. From Pat.
No, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river you can live your life in free flow. You can fly with the stars. Did you forget you're a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now. It's a brand new day. Yeah, it's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. Yeah, it's a new day. Oh, it's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day.
Dear Pata, eto na. Ito na ang araw na inaantay natin. Masaya ako na ikaw ang makakasama ko panghabang buhay.
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa parents ko kasi wala ako dito kung di dahil sa kanila. Salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo na ginawa nyo. Ayun na, ito na. Thankful ako sa lahat ng ginagawa nyo, kahit maliit na bagay. Nandito lang ako palagi. Kahit may sarili na akong family, nandito pa rin ako.
Thank you, mga par. Nilanggap ko si Pat. Kahit na nakaibat naman ako, alam ko pa rin naman po kayong dalawa.
I, John Patrick Acapulco, take you, Kizzy Del Rosario, to be my wife. I promise to be a loving and faithful partner to you, and patient, incredibly patient. Naalala mo pa ba yung promise ko sa'yo noon? Gusto ko lang mapasaya ka kahit isang beses sa isang araw. Para achievable.
John Patrick, bukal ba sa inyong loob na parito upang may isang dibdib si Kizzy na rito na yung papakamahalin at paglilingkuran ng habang buhay?
Ako, Father. Today I say, I do, but it really means I will. I will take care of your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad. I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I will love you unconditionally until my last breath. Smile, you deserve to be happy.
So you are asking God, invoking God, who is the very source of it. Kaya dyan ang unang bagay. Ang kasal ay sagrado dahil ang Diyos ang pinagmula nito. Ito ay panghabang buhay. Ito ay lasting. Ang pagiging banal, ang panghabang buhay, at ang inyong pagiging pamilya. Because you care. Take care of one another.
Aking sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan ng mundo. Sa pagbalik, mananatili na sa piling mo. Mundo'y magiging ikaw, limutin na ang mundo. Nang magkasama tayo, sunod sa bawat ganun, hindi na maliligaw.
Pangako na sasabayan ko ang lahat ng trip at hilig mo kahit na pambata pa ito. Salamat dahil ang haba ng pasensya ko sa akin dahil sobrang moody ko. At aminado naman ako doon. Tutuparin ko kung ano man yung mga pangakong binanggit ko. At aasahan mo na ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Araw-araw, oras-oras, minuto at segundo.
Sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan ng mundo. Sa pagbalik, mananatili na sa piling mo.
Ito na, magsimula ng ating bagong yugto.